I also acquired this machine from a client. It is a Samsung brand. Just open the door and check it. It's also very dirty. You can see the gasket. I think where it was coming. It came from an industrial place, so it's a busy place. Let's check the drum. The drum sounds okay. The gasket is damaged. It's one of the dirtiest machines I've ever seen. You can see the top part. Now the inside part. It's a 6 kg washing machine. This one is a Samsung brand. That's the model number. 6 kg. This is how the back part looks, the motor. The drum seems okay. So stay tuned as we will be cleaning it up. This one is used for parts, just parts, because the controller board, the control board and the motherboard is not there. The control board is missing, so this one we will use it for spares. It's very dirty. So we'll clean it up, and then the parts we'll sell the parts. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video on how we will be maintaining it, including this one. So LG and Samsung. There are two washing machine, 5 kg, 6 kg. Thank you for watching.